Hey guys, this is the night leader today, and today we're going to be going inside Scratch. Yes, you're probably like, are you gonna be playing projects in Scratch, looking at stuff? Well, no, I am gonna be coding today. If you should know about this if you checked out my last video, which is the Roblox video on Dungeon Quest. So I highly recommend you watch that. And before we start with this video, guys, please hit that like button and hit that subscribe button while you're at it. And don't forget to turn on the bell for the latest updates. So let's get to it. Okay. So I'm gonna be working on a project that's called Cake Defense. You guys can like modify how it looks and all, but I hope you guys like it. So let's see inside. As you guys can see, I already did some coding. Okay. See, I have a title screen. So when you click this play button, okay, that's not what's supposed to happen. Yeah. See. Yeah, I'm gonna work on that part during this video. So that's basically what I have done. So I'm gonna let you guys see what code I have for each. So this is the code for like making sure this cake doesn't pop up in the title screen and all that. And this is just like the position. So that's it I have for that now. The table is just like a prop, okay? It's not something that's gonna be activated with anything. Okay? Then there's the fly. Now, this does have a lot of code, so I'll go over each one to tell you what it is. Like, okay, first is when backdrop switches to level 1, show. Because I don't want it to show like in the title screen. Like you're probably wondering, what are these then? These are part of the backdrop. Okay? And then I have when clicked, go to X, which -230, which is the edge of the screen, and the Y is pick random 70 to -80. The reason I said that is because I don't want this to, you know, like spawn up here, because that's just not correct. And then forever, next costume, so it look like it's flying. So these are my two costumes. Okay. And then wait 1 second so the wings don't like go really quickly. Wait 0.1 seconds. And then move 5 steps so that will actually reach the cake. And when flag clicked, hide so that you know. So it'll not be in here moving around. And then when backdrop switches to level 1, okay, repeat for wait 1.5 seconds, create clone of myself. So you may think I created a sprite for each one, but no. What I did was I created clones of them. So I created 4 clones, which is 5 in total, because the original one is also a fly, which actually works. And when I start as a clone, go to X, and it's the same code again, up here. So just duplicate that and put that in here. And then it's forever next costume, so the wings will change. And then the same thing, practically the same thing, except when I start as clone. So just, like, grab this, duplicate it, which is just right click and click duplicate. I'm not gonna, because then I have to put it in the trash can. And this one is your choice. Okay? You don't have to do this. So I'm not sure if you can see, but this is acting like a neon light, which is constantly blinking, which is a really nice feature to add to your thing. So it's a really simple piece of code. Just I'll get one color and then another color. As you guys can see, this is a slightly lighter pink, and this is a slightly darker pink and a slight purple. So that's it. It just adds a completely new thing into your game. So this is optional, so don't think you have to do this, but here's the code. And I think this code is self-explanatory. Okay, play button. Okay, this is something that is very important, okay? Like, you don't have to have it, but if you ever play the game, you don't just like go into the game when you click on the app. You usually have like a start button or a play button to like get into it, or like some kind of thing like continue or from the save progress or something. So these two are self-explanatory by now. So what you want to do is go to advanced and get this when displayed clicked, and then when displayed clicked, broadcast, which is here, start game. So what it's like doing is, if you think about a radio tower, it's like broadcasting like radio messages and all. So this is broadcasting the message start game. So you would need a receiver, right? So let's go into the stages, and when clicked, switch to backdrop title, so it will always start here first. And when I receive start game, switch to level 1. So that shows that when I receive the message start game, which is given by clicking on this, see that blink? That's gonna cause that to be triggered. So that, I believe, is a really cool feature to add on. So yeah. Okay. You know what? This fly seems to be really glitchy. So let's just make this guy hide. Don't worry, that won't affect your clones. Just add another clone here. Oh, it will affect the clones. That's stupid. Oh no, it won't. This is how you can. There you go. They're right there. You know what? Let's not wait 1 second. Oh, that's why. Yeah. When clicked hide. There. So the sequence of how you put things is very important, as you guys can see. What was the 6? I only asked for 5. Oh my gosh, I have to put forever hide, cause it's gonna come back. So let's put forever hide. Great, just what I needed. Let's put that in a different strand and put when clicked. Let's try now. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay. So I didn't program it to like knock the flies out yet and all, but yeah. Okay, now we go to the cannon. Which, if you guys are Plant vs. Zombies fans, you will know what this is. It's the coconut cannon. So basically it's going up and down this like sort of fence, and which is guarding the cake. So like this is where the cannon is going to move up and down. So this is explanatory and this is true. So when up arrow pressed, change Y by 10. And now this is the most important code. Like, see, when you go up, it really doesn't matter. Like, you can go all the way up here and I won't care. Like, you don't care. But you want to make it look realistic that you can't just go through the ground. So, see, you want to make sure it looks realistic. Or else it's gonna be like really peculiar if it goes under the ground. So what I did was whenever it goes beyond a certain point, it goes back up. So if Y position is less than -96, then glide 5 seconds to X47, Y -1. You know what, I think I'm gonna move that to 29, because that looks a bit more realistic in my eyes. See, it looks like the tires are actually gripping on. Okay, and change Y by -10 else. So it's a if then else, because if then is just used when like you just wanna state something, and if then else is stating like if this happens or else you can do this. So it's much more useful. As you guys can see, I got this fence from the birthday cake. I just deleted everything and I stretched out the candle and all, because I really liked how the stripes and all looked. So you could easily draw it. So this candle is really nothing for now, but when I start making power-ups and all, it's gonna be something you need to keep in mind. And the cherry, this is also a very important piece. So this is still glitchy, see, like it comes and then, you know, wait a second. Yeah, I don't know why it's doing that, but let's just stop the lag. Okay, so clicked forever hide. That's the problem. Why is it still coming? I mean, like, this is the... What is this? Is that a clone? Oh my gosh, this is so screwed up. When I receive a shoot, so... Oh yeah. The shoot stuff is from... here, sorry, I kept that really at the bottom. When space key pressed, broadcast shoot, and that's received here. Go to Canon and then create clone of myself and forever move -5 steps, so it'll go like that. Now, if Y position equals 230, right? No, it's negative 241, sorry. Delete this clone. No, I think I should put that into when I start as clone. Because, okay, that's gonna be a problem. I'll have to solve that. Okay, we'll solve that later. Let's solve this glitchy part first. Go to Canon, create clone of myself. Okay, so what can we do here? Just trying to organize myself. So it's going to the cannon. But can we move it? Okay. Oh my gosh. Let me just create another. Okay, wait. Yeah, that looks realistic. Because now, see, it's coming out of the behind, but that this, see, it's what's happening is whenever I receive shoot, the clones are coming back. This clone. Okay, delete this clone. Wait until okay. Not sure if this will work, but worth a try, eh? Okay, let me just go to alright, start as a clone. Oh my gosh. Okay. No, wait, let me just do this. I don't feel like. I want to make sure they can't spam. See, that's called spamming right there. You know what? We'll work out with these glitches later. I want to actually get the. If it hidden fly, then the fly dies. So. when clicked, if go to sensing, touching, fly, then cast, dead fly. Like, you can broadcast, say anything, it won't affect it, but that's logical for me. So now let's go to the fly. I say dead fly. Let's create a new costume. Oh no, 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 no. No, that one's gonna... That's hiding. So this one. I have to change up the looks. Well, wait. Start as a clone. Where's the forever? Forever to costume 1. So this is what coding is all about. When you create new variables, you have to change stuff. So you can never stay with the same thing like the entire round. You have to keep changing. Okay, when I receive dead fly, switch costume 2, 3. Okay, so what I will do is, let me just, okay. If my aim is good. Okay, that is just that's a problem. I said if touching a broadcasted fly. Why is it? Oh, it's a clone. It's not touching the... You know what, guys? I think I'm just gonna end the video for today. Like, I don't know what's wrong. So, actually, you have to move up and down. I'll get that rest done by tomorrow. So, that's it, I guess, for today. And see you guys next time. Bye-bye. Hit that like button while you're at it. See you guys next time.